Outsourcing product assembly to an experienced manufacturer, such as Brenner-Fiedler, can offer significant cost-saving benefits on labor, materials, as well as reduced turnaround times. This directly translates into increased value and flexibility in your production process, enabling your company to focus on other aspects of the business. Brenner-Fiedler works with many companies in a wide range of trades, building products that support the food and beverage, medical, semiconductor, transportation, and other industries. Brenner-Fiedler is a full-service contract manufacturer with the capability to support mechanical and electromechanical products, CNC, and plastic part fabrication. We offer expert component fabrication, quality control, assembly, packaging, and delivery solutions. Brenner-Fiedler has the capability to adhere to building components that may require special industry certifications. These may include ISO 9001-2015, ISO 13485-2016, and UL 508A. Brenner-Fiedler's team will work with you to define your project needs, from concept and design to prototyping. We integrate your production process with ours. If time to market is a critical consideration, or if your product needs to be continually updated, Brenner-Fiedler's drop-in solutions might be the perfect fit. By collaborating with Brenner-Fiedler, outsourcing your contract manufacturing in the United States has never been easier. For more information on how Brenner-Fiedler can help leverage your business, contact us at 1-800-843-5558 or visit Brenner-Fiedler.com.